Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting a laptop or phone to the Hathway modem router. Wired connection reduces dropouts. Once connected, open your browser and type 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1. 1 will load the admin portal. Enter the existing admin username and password from the router label or your setup note. This authenticates you so the router will permit configuration changes. Make sure pop-ups aren't blocked. Otherwise, the login form might not submit correctly. Once inside, go to wireless or WLAN settings to change SSID and password. You should update both too. 4 GHz and 5 GHz profiles if available, because they use separate names. Choose WPA2 or WPA3 security, enter a strong passphrase, mix letters, numbers, and symbols, and confirm it. When you save or apply changes, the router restarts radios so your devices will drop and need the new password. Make sure you have admin access elsewhere to reconnect if needed. Next, change the router's admin password under Administration or System Tools so unauthorized users can't reconfigure it. Pick a different, strong credential than your Wi-Fi passphrase. Save changes and reboot the router if the interface requests it. Then reconnect devices using the new Wi-Fi name or password. If you cannot log in anymore, the key troubleshooting step is a hardware factory reset. Press and hold the reset pin for 10 to 15 seconds to restore defaults. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.